Good morning dear students, I am Vijay sir, your PE teacher. Today we are going to learn the steps of the Surya Namaskar. As we know that Surya Namaskar is an important part of the yoga. Sun has been worshipped for ages in India. The Surya Namaskar has a creative syllabus. With it, all the joints and muscles of the body gets exercise, flexibility, which is very useful in practicing yogasanas. So there are 12 asanas in Surya Namaskar, but some of the asanas are being repeated. So we shall learn only 7 asanas. Like first Namaskar asana, second Chandra asana, third Padhastasana or Hastpadasana. Number 4 Asvasanchalan asana, fifth Parvadasana, sixth Ashtanga Namaskar and 7 Bhujangasana. Right? Now let's do with demo. Okay dear, now we will do all the asanas with demo. First Namaskar asana. Stand straight, keep both the legs together and join the heels. Keep the soles open. Do Namaskar with both the hands touching the chest. So this is the Namaskar asana and this is the first step of the Surya Namaskar. Now benefits. Concentration increases by standing steady. It benefits in the development of healthy and personality. So this is the first step. Now second step. Chandra asana. Raise both the hands upwards. Keep the fingers joined. Keep the distance between two hands as the shoulders. Hands should be near the ears. Bend and stretch upper part of the body backward. Keep balance. Do not bend the legs at the knees. Inhale at the time of raising both the hands. So dear students, in this Chandrahasana, you have to inhale. Now benefits. The excess fat on the abdomen is reduced. Now third step, Hastpadasana or Padhastasana. Bend forward from the waist and slowly brings both the hands down from the position of Chandrasana. So this is the Chandrasana position. Place the palms beside the soles of both legs. Keep the knees straight and try to touch the forehead to the knees. You have to touch knees with your forehead. Is it clear? Now exhale at time of bending forward. So you have to breathe out. Okay. Now benefits. It cures the abdominal problems. The excess fat on the abdomen is reduced. Now step number 4, Asvasanchalan asana. Place both the hands and besides the soles of legs and stretch the left leg backward. Only left leg you have to stretch backward side. Is that clear? Now raise the head upward. Keep the chin, knees and the sole of a leg in a straight line. You can see in this demo. So bring the knees of the rear leg on the floor. So rear leg on the floor. This is also known as Surya Darshan asana. So this is the fourth step, Asvasanchalan asana. Now benefits. The efficiency of various organs of the abdomen increases. Now step number 5, Parvatasana. Now take the right leg backward. So right leg backward sides and raise the middle part of the body upward. You can see in this demo, middle part of the body is raised. Keep both the hands straight. Bring the middle part of the head towards the floor. You can see head downside at the ground level. Keep the heels of the legs on the floor. You can see. Now benefits. The muscles of the hands and legs become strong. Now step number 6, Ashtanga Namaskar. Bring both the knees and chest on the floor. Touch the forehead on the floor. Forehead on the floor, touch. Keep the elbows as in the demo. So you can see in the demo, elbows, 8 organs like soles of both the legs, both the knees, palms of the both hands, chest and forward would touch the floor. So all these 3 things are touch with the ground. You can see forehead, toes and elbows also, right? Benefits: the muscles of the legs and hands become strong. The chest expands. Now, next, step number 7, Bhujangasana. Raise the head and shoulders gradually upwards. Keep the heels and soles of both the legs joint. Bend the hands a little at elbows. Keep the lower part of the waist loose. Now, benefits: the waist pain is reduced. So, this is the 7th step. Now, next, Parvatasana. Raise the middle part of the body upwards and let the heels of the legs touch the floor. Keep both hands straight and brings the middle part of the head towards the floor. This is the Parvatasana. Now, step number 9, Asvasanchalan. So, bring the sole of the left leg between palms of the hands. Raise the head upwards. The knees of the right leg would be on floor. Keep the right leg would be on the floor. Keep the chin, knees and sole of the leg in straight line. So, right, so you can see this is the repeated asana, right? But as earlier you have seen in demo, so in this asana, that means step number 4, Asvasanchalan. So, in this asana your left leg should be back, but in this asana right leg should be back side. Is it clear? So, now step number 10, Hastapadasana or Padhastasana. So, as it is, as usual you have done in earlier demo, bring the sole of the right leg between the palms of both the hands, stand up till the waist. The palms of the both the hands would remain besides the soles of legs. Keep the legs straight from the knees, touch the forehead to the knees. Now, step number 11, again Chandrasana, repeated asana. Raise both the hands upward and stand up gradually. Bend the upper part of the waist backward. The fingers of the both hands would remain joined. Both the hands would remain touching the ears. Now, last and 12 number, Namaskarasana, repeated asana. That means this is the original position of the first step, that is the Surya Namaskar. So, bring both the hands down, do Namaskar position near the chest. The heels of the both legs should remain joined. Keep the soles open, body straight, neck and head erect. Right. So, now these are the 12 steps of the Surya Namaskara. Right. Now, little instructions about Surya Namaskar. So, there are 7 asanas in Surya Namaskar. 6 asanas except Ashtanga Namaskar are repeated. Right. So, keep the face towards the east direction at the time of practicing Surya Namaskar. So, morning time is the best for Surya Namaskar. When you practice Surya Namaskar in the evening, keep the face toward the west direction. One should practice breathing 4 to 5 times in each asana of Surya Namaskar to have a steady workout. One should practice a set of Surya Namaskar by increasing in multiple of 2 up to 12 times. Right. Now, we will do all the steps in side pose speedy. Okay. Okay, dear. Now, you can see side pose. First asana, Namaskar. Namaskar asana. This is the first step. Second, Chandra asana. Hastapadasana. Step number 4, Asvasanchalan asana. Step number 5, Parvatasana. 6, Ashtanga Namaskar. 7, Bhujangasana. 8, Parvatasana. 9, again Asvasanchalasana. Hastapadasana, Chandrahasana, Namaskar asana. So, these are the 12 steps. Okay, dear students, that's all for today. Goodbye.